Hello, welcome to the script installation tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to install this script on your cPanel. You'll also get the installation guideline on the documentation. Now let's jump into the procedure. To install the script, we'll need to follow a few simple steps. At first, you'll have to log in into your cPanel dashboard. You can see mine on the screen. So first, open your file manager in a new tab. Don't close the dashboard yet because we'll need it later. So if you are installing the script on your main domain, you will have to go to the public HTML file, which is public_HTML folder. Or else if you're installing your script on a subdomain, then you'll have to go to the respective subdomain folder. In this case, I am installing it in a subdomain. So I'll go to the subdomain folder and I'll click on upload. Now I'll select the zip file. I assume you have already purchased the script and you have the source zip file which contains the script itself. Now I'll open this zip file here. You see it is uploading. Now I'll pause the video until this script is uploading. Okay, so the script is uploaded. Now I'll go back to the folder and now I'll extract the zip file inside this folder. It won't take much time, so let's just do it. Okay, so the files has been uploaded and extracted. Okay, now we are ready for installation. Okay, so as I have already extracted the files, now I'll go to my subdomain. And after I refresh the domain or the URL, now you see I am getting an error page which is 500 server error. It's normal, don't panic because we haven't installed the script yet, we just uploaded the script. The installation still has to be done. So to install the script, you will have to add this extra URL here after your subdomain or the domain itself. Add /install and then hit enter. If your domain is suppose example.com, then your installation URL will be example.com/install. It's on /, and now you can see the installation welcome screen appeared. Now it says welcome to Martvill installer. Now I'll click here. It will check the requirement if I am fulfilling all the requirements for installation. Okay, it is showing all the green ticks. That means I have all the requirements that it needs. So I'll click next, and now we see that I don't have enough permissions for my folders to install the script. So I'll give them the permission which is 775. There are 4 folders that need this extra permission, which is storage/app, storage/framework, and storage/logs, and the bootstrap/cache. Now let's get back to the folder. Okay, so the first one was storage/app, this folder. Now you can see that this permission is 775, but we need 775. So I'll change the permission. I'll add this permission, and you see the permission has changed to 775. Now I click on change, and I'll do the same for this framework folder and also for the logs folder. Okay, and now I'll have to do the same for the bootstrap/cache folder. Okay, so I have given all the permissions. Now I'll click on reload. Okay, Now it shows that I have all the permissions that needed. I click on next. Now it is asking for my Envato username and the purchase code of this script. So what you'll have to do for this part, you will have to insert your Envato username. You'll have to log in into your Envato account, Code Canyon account. Then you'll have to use that username here, and the script you have purchased, you'll definitely have the purchase code. You will have to insert your purchase code here. Okay, now I will insert mine, test username, and there is this demo purchase code here. Now see, the purchase code has worked well. Now it is asking for a database name, database user, database password, database port, and database hostname. Now if you are using cPanel, you don't have to change these two, but you will definitely have to provide database name, user, password. Okay, so how do you get the name, username, and password? Okay, so I told you not to close the dashboard yet. So here we go again. From the dashboard, you will have to choose the MySQL databases and go to this page. Now you'll have to create a new database for your script. I'll create a new database, Martvill. As I have created the database, I'll copy the database name and paste it here. And now I'll go back. I'll create a database user, which should be again Martvill, and password, I'll generate a new password from here, or lowercase. I'll copy the password. Yes, I have copied. This will be the password, and create user. I have created a new user, and again we'll have to give our user all the permissions for our database. So I'll select the database and user from this list and click on add, and it will ask for the permissions that I want to provide. I'll click on all privilege. Please make sure you do that as well, and then click on make changes. So after that, we'll go back here. Now you see this little switch here, which is for the dummy data. And what is this dummy data? And this switch is for, it is asking you that if you want to import the dummy data as well with the installation. Then what are the dummy data? These dummy data are some sample products and pages that will be already available. You might have seen in the demo website, there are some products and some pages, informations, which are of course demo, for demo purpose, and which are not 100% accurate data. But if you want to use the demo data on your website as well, you should turn on this one, or else if you want a fresh installation, only the required data, then you should turn it off. Now I will keep the data, demo data. I will need some products after installation. So if, as I have turned it on, so when the installation will be completed, you will see that my website will already have some products in it, although I haven't inserted any product. Okay, now click on create database. I think this will take some time to complete. Let's wait until it's completed. Okay, now you see it has been completed. Now it is asking for a administration account information. What it is doing, it is basically asking me to create an administrator account so that I can log in into the admin panel. So So I'll add a name, add an email, admin@demo.com, add password. Now I click on create user. It will create a user, and I think the installation has been completed. Now I click on login. It brings me to the login page. Now, as it is the admin login page, if I remove this and try to visit the home page now, you see the installation has been done, and these are the demo data that I have imported with the installation. Now if you had turned off the dummy data switch, then you won't be seeing these categories and the products. You will see the empty page here, because then you will have to add the categories all by yourself, and then it will fill up the home page. Now also you can log in with the credentials that you have set. Suppose this one, I did set the email as admin@demo.com and the password. Let's try to sign in. So you see this is working. The demo data are in place. Everything seems fine. Okay, have a good day. Bye.